Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your dice rolls in Monopoly Go for general gameplay. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Dices in Monopoly Go are your main resource because they determine how far you move, which properties you can buy, and how quickly you can progress on the board. The key to optimizing your dice rolls is using a smart strategy rather than relying on luck alone. Here are some tips that can help you get the most out of every roll. First, understand that your rolls are limited, so it's important to avoid wasting them. Before you roll, take a moment to plan your move. Look at your current board position and consider what you want to achieve with your roll, whether it's landing on a high value property or avoiding areas that may set you back. Knowing your objective helps you decide whether you need to roll a higher multiplier or simply roll normally. Speaking of multipliers, many players use them to boost their roll outcome, but remember that using a higher multiplier will cost more dice. If you're in a critical moment when you need that extra bump, consider using a higher multiplier. But if you're in a safe position, it might be better to stick with the lower multiplier to conserve your dice for when they really matter. Another tip is to take advantage of any in-game bonuses that allow you to earn extra dice. Logging in daily, completing challenges, and participating in tournaments often gives you bonus rolls. Over time, these extra dices can add up and help you build a reserve so you're not left waiting when you really need to move fast. Finally, remember that patience and planning are key. Rather than rushing your roll, take time to assess your overall strategy and adjust your multiplier or risk level accordingly. By balancing aggressive moves with careful conservation of dice, you will maximize your chances of moving efficiently around the board. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.